So now we are inside an ancient aircraft. It used to fly during 40s and 50s. It is an amphibian. That means it could fly and it could float on the ocean water. Interestingly, these are the seats made of woods and it stays together. It's quite interesting. And this is the second story.
Dad, can I go down?
Yeah, I'll just a second, please.
Go down. Go down.
And we can see this was a pantry.
Dad, you're not allowed.
And here is Maureen O'Hara's picture. That means famous Hollywood actress. Once upon a time flew this flight.
You don't know anything about this, please.
Okay. So Abby's getting down.
I know.
Move.
I know everything about this place, but you don't. Why? And then the trap and my hair.
So this was the toilet once upon a time, more or less like today's. Just a little change in upholstery.